I finally made to the top. Uh-oh. Whoa. Stop that. Oh no. We're scared. Run. I'm gonna fall. Uh-oh. Ah.
Little Bill, can you babysit with Caillou while we're going to restaurant?
Okay, Mom.
And don't burn in her house while you're grounded by.
Okay, Mom.
So, what are going to do today?
I got an idea. Let's flood the house so we can pretend the water slide.
Yes. Let's go to the kitchen first.
Let's do it. It's go time.
Get ready to surf's up.
Hey, who's turning on the water?
I don't know. We had to check downstairs. This kinda weird. It just raining outside already.
The house is flooding.
This is cool.
Blood, 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 blood.
So, how was your dinner?
It was delicious.
This is best hangout dinner ever.
I love the side of the salad.
Hey, I wonder Little Bill are being good?
This can't get any worse, and I can't breathe.
Hey guys, have a nice ride.
Little Bill, you come back there. You're so good.
Hey kids. We're home. Oh my goodness.
That's it. This is for the last time. It's not me and I don't lie too much.
Well then, this isn't your fault, Boris.
Honey. This is not you two burning your house as Little Bill or Caillou did this.
Yeah. I know that. But, no way.
Wow. Amazing splash ending.
This is totally cool. We did it. Hello friend?
Okay, Little Bill, how dare you just flood the house? That's it. You're grounded for this means no Chuck E. Cheese. You're going to send to Viacom jump scare logo.
Thank you so much for saving us.
You're welcome, Bobby. Now let's clean this up.
Ow, where am I? Why are we falling in the dark?
Oh man, we're getting sending to the jump scare logo of death. How could this end like this?
I don't know, Little Bill, but I can't see anywhere. I think it's over.
Oh crap, not the Viacom logo.